DJM TV.
The former state governor, Bola Tinubu, is speaking. Let's listen.
To those who are hospitalized in the first place. And equally to ask him, pointedly, did he order the attack? Or if he didn't order the attack, who ordered the attack? Was it to his knowledge that people were attacked? That's all I needed from him.
Going forward now, I mean, you've seen him, you've commiserated with him. I'm sure he must have given you a mild picture, mental picture of the level of wanton destruction of public and private property and cases of casualty and fatality, if there were. What's the next step going forward for you, for all well-meaning people of Lagos who would want to support? Because I heard the governor say something like, this is really going to be tough. In a year, we have had to reduce our budget.
Now, first, we have to segregate the calendar. Those who suffered casualty before the protest from the hand of SARS, you have to separate that from those who suffer casualty, due to and the toll gate. For those who suffered from that, I think they set up the commission of inquiry that is already set up. We unearth that and we make their recommendations. I trust with the kind of caliber and characters of the people there, they are independent. That is one. Those who suffer casualty during the gunshot need to answer some questions too. How are they there? How long were they there? What kind of characters are they? Even though we want to help, we must extract information that will help the government to prepare in future or understand how and when to react. Because the government, the governor in particular, is a youth. This is not what we inherit. Okay? The youths themselves, himself, he quickly went to Abuja with a fight for 5. The government immediately put into action, dissolved his hands. Okay? And they have to walk through other recommended action, the need they demanded. Within few days, he reported back to the public that he has been. We saw on television. He delivered the message to the president. The president didn't say no. The president gave him an appointment within a few hours. That's responsive enough for people to go down. But where are we getting the looting, the carnage, the burning, the invasion of a police station, and the stealing of arms, and maiming the innocent? It's a handshake beyond the elbow.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll take this message.
Okay.
Just last question, please. Sir, we were told that you were in London, you were in Paris. When did you return?
I didn't go nowhere. I'm in Lagos. And I still hold the title of Asiwaju of Lagos.
Oh my God.
And I'm still a Jagaban. well, whatever they think, fake news is all over the place. They say my son, was kidnapped. He was chased out of. He's here. Look at him.
He's not in London.
Listen.
I have to be sure that he's not photoshopped.
I didn't pay a penny to bring him here. Maybe governor will give him pocket money.
DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.